Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. Today we have a lecture 27 of ICT A to Z beginner series. In this lecture I am going to show you the last example of Judas Swing in a gold chart, and then in the next video we are going to understand the ICT, OT or optimal trade entry pattern. So let's get started. Before we start, if you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe it, and if you want to join our free Telegram channel, the link will be in the description below. So if you watch my previous video, you understand what is the ICT Judas Swing and how to mark out it. So always we have a 5-minute time frame or any time frame. It's up to you. 15 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute, 3 minute. It's all up to you as you understand the Judas Swing. UTC minus for New York time, you will be mark out the midnight 12 a.m. of New York and then 8:30. If we are bullish, then what we will likely to see, many time I explained you in the previous video that we will see some sort of bearishness, then market took out the liquidity, okay, then give you a market structure shift, fair value gap, and this is like many time I show you the same thing that exactly happened here. So as you seen here that price bullish, then in London session is consolidate, making a liquidity. After the 8:30 market open took out the first, then we will wait for the market structure shift, but it also take the low of the Asia. Market structure shift give us a fair value gap and give us a reaction, right? You remember, if you are in my Telegram channel, I give you this area for the trade. Exactly pinpoint price came to our area and give us 80 pips trade, right? So if you didn't join it still now, please join it. And I expect you use paper trading first 1 to 2 weeks to understand how my signal is work, and then you will going to start put your own money, okay? It's all up to you. So the thing is that does this setup work every time? No, does not work. It doesn't mean that it's not work every time, but the thing is, if you don't understand, then it might be you will also not understand here as well, okay? So the thing is, first you understand the bias, where would likely to price go, where would be the likely liquidity available, so then you can understand the thing, okay? So in the previous day if we go, so here we have here 12 a.m. we have 8:30, okay? So what happened here, might people got a SL because the first swing internal liquidity taken, Asia high, and most probably people think this is the fair value gap where they can take the entry for sell for this area, but it's not happened because price is the bullish, okay? So that's why these things happen to you most of the time. The you can take buy entry here, why? But people also stop out from here because they have a fair value gap here and they put their as stop loss here, but this is not an exact point because this candle is smaller than this candle, okay? So if you are putting your stop loss should be like that because these 3-4 candles are engulfed in this candle, okay? You have to understand market very in a very micro, okay, in every micro. Here we have 12 a.m. market are going downside, give us a internal liquidity, market structure shift aggressively, first fair value gap, second, third. The second it's give you, okay, with the breaker block and then to the downside, okay? If I go to 1 hour time frame, as you see we have Monday from here and Tuesday, okay? Many times I told you in my previous video, most likely you will see the low and high of the week in between Monday and Tuesday. The rest of week will be follow the trend, Okay, so on the Monday price give us the low, Tuesday follow up same equal lows, and then go to the upside. Today is a Friday, so most likely price will go downside and close on near in some sort of order block. Okay, remember one thing, always write this one: if market are bullish, only the bullish order block will be work, not focus on the bearish one. It will give you some sort of reaction, but that is the risky. Okay, remember that one. Like here, this is for your extra knowledge. Okay, all right, so that's the thing. I give this signal, this area 2317 in my Telegram channel, and if someone hold that one with the money management, risk management, 700 pips trade was that one almost. Okay, so I hope you learn something from here. I'm telling you, please do the back testing on everything and watch the price action clearly by your own as well. Then you will going to understand. By me or by another tutor, you cannot even I give you my profit screenshot, you will not going to do that, because you have lag on many points, like over leveraging, or you have not proper money management or proper risk management. Okay, so I hope you will understand, and we'll meet on the next video on our optimal trade entry, where you can use Judas Swing, optimal trade entry with together, and then you can also trade. It will also boost your accuracy. Until next time, be safe.